I'm going to use this 2-ounce Epsom salt essential oil tablet to soak my feet. Welcome to Shufetti Sudz. To use the tablet, soak it in 8 to 10 cups of warm water. As you allow it to soak for 5 minutes, it will break apart and release essential oils in the foot tub. These essential oils provide antibacterial benefits. They help restore and rejuvenate your feet. After 5 minutes, give it a stir to make sure the product has completely dissolved. Allow your feet to soak for 15 to 30 minutes. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you never miss another video about upcoming products.